Hey everyone, Kerry Taylor here, inventor of Drain IV. Today I'm excited to walk you through our brand new Platinum Drain IV system. Same rock solid performance you already trust, but now smarter and built for the way pros actually work. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. The star of the show is our new precision programmable pump. Comes fully assembled with a magnet and IV bag mount already in place, ready to stick and go. It's powered by our new improved 24-volt AC converter, which has a 5-amp inline fuse and a 10-foot power cable, which is now Platinum rated. The new IV bag, easier cap access, same bulletproof, puncture-resistant design you love. Inside you'll also find a bottle of Drain IV concentrate. Just mix with tap water and you're locked in for a full 6 months of protection. Perfect timing, lines right up with most contractor spring and fall service calls. We got both drain line and drip tray installation kits included. The drain line clear tubing is now more flexible and easier to install. The drip tray parts are all UVC resistant, so it plays nice even when your customer has a UV light in the air handle. And yes, we still throw in the kitchen sink cardboard pack. It's all right there. No running to the supply house. That's the new Platinum Drain IV. Everything a pro needs, nothing you don't. Grab your tools and let's get it installed.